Welcome to New Car Info. Today we're taking a closer look at the legendary Dodge Viper GTS, a vehicle that represents the pinnacle of American performance engineering and design. Here, the Viper GTS is unmistakably aggressive with a low, wide stance and a long sculpted hood that hints at the power contained within. The sleek lines and aerodynamic curves are not just for show. They serve to enhance the car's performance at high speeds. The iconic front grille is flanked by sharp, angular headlights that give the Viper a menacing look. The rear features a unique tail design with signature LED taillights that complete its bold appearance with a selection of striking colors, including classic Viper blue and vivid red. The Viper GTS is a head turner on any road. Inside the cabin, the Viper GTS maintains a driver-centric focus. The interior is a blend of high-performance materials and comfort features, offering a race-inspired experience without sacrificing luxury. The leather-wrapped seats are not only supportive, but also beautifully stitched, providing a sense of refinement that complements the car's raw power. The dashboard is designed for functionality, with essential controls within easy reach, ensuring that the driver can stay focused on the road. The infotainment system, while minimalist, includes modern amenities such as navigation and smartphone integration, making it a practical choice for daily driving despite its performance pedigree. Under the hood, the Viper GTS is powered by a monstrous 8.4 liter 10 engine, producing over 600 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, a testament to its thrilling performance capabilities. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, allowing drivers to fully engage with the driving experience. The rear-wheel drive layout contributes to the Viper's dynamic handling characteristics, making it a joy to drive on both the track and the open road. The suspension is finely tuned for performance, providing a perfect balance between comfort and responsiveness, while massive brakes ensure confident stopping power even at high speeds. One of the standout features of the Viper GTS is its lightweight construction. The extensive use of aluminum and composite materials not only enhances performance but also improves overall efficiency. This commitment to weight reduction plays a crucial role in the Viper's agility, allowing it to navigate corners with precision and stability. Additionally, the car's low center of gravity further enhances its handling capabilities, giving drivers the confidence to push the limits. When it comes to safety, the Viper GTS is equipped with essential features, including traction control and stability control systems designed to keep the driver in command, especially during spirited driving. While the focus is primarily on performance, the Viper does not compromise on safety, ensuring that drivers can enjoy their experience with peace of mind. As for pricing, the Dodge Viper GTS positions itself as a premium sports car reflecting its high-performance pedigree and exclusive status. The investment in a Viper GTS means not only acquiring a powerful machine, but also owning a piece of automotive history, as production of this iconic model has ceased, making it a collector's item. The Viper's allure lies in its combination of raw power, striking design, and an engaging driving experience that few cars can match. In conclusion, the Dodge Viper GTS is a remarkable blend of performance, style, and heritage. It captures the essence of American muscle while delivering a thrilling driving experience that leaves a lasting impression. The Viper GTS is more than just a car. It's an experience that every automotive enthusiast dreams of. Thanks for tuning in to New Car Info for a closer look at this iconic vehicle.